Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a wreath. This is really cool. I also want to put this in my video that it is something that I actually saw on Pinterest, so it's not my idea. I don't know who. I saw a few different ones, so if I knew who made it first, I really wish that I could put their name or whatever, but it's like an inspiration from that, so I did want to include that. But these are what you're going to need. You're going to need one of these plastic candy bowls. This is only $1. I actually got this at Dollar General, but you can get these at Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need some florals. These I already took the roses off. These are from Dollar Tree. A few hauls ago, I showed you guys these purple and black roses. And you're going to need a glue gun, and I'm going to use some of the black leaves and the bats on these. I think two florals, 2 of these, I think that will be enough. And then we're just going to glue it on there. You could leave the middle plain, because some of them that I saw were just blank, but this one actually has spiders and stuff on it, so I might just leave it as that. And then you just glue it on there and you'll have like a wreath. So it's going to be a really cool. So I'm going to get some pliers here because I want to cut it's hard to see. I want to cut these down some, so when I glue them on, it'll be like a lot flatter. You got to be really careful when you're cutting down on your florals and stuff, because sometimes they can fall apart. And then we're just going to start gluing these on there. So I'll do a couple, and then I'll show you what it looks like. We're probably going to do every other one. I think I figured out the pattern of it that I wanted to do. I gotta let the glue set up. I really wish that I had a different way to show you this stuff. So, there's one, and then we're going to go to the next one. And then we're going to go to the next one here. I think we're going to do like every other one. It's already wanting to start to fall apart on me. You could try floral wire or something like that. Maybe even like E6000. But let's hope that it sticks. The problem is I'm not letting the glue set up before I... Okay, so there we go. There's one, and it's going to be hanging on the wall. Let me take off the glue string. So it's going to be hanging on the wall anyway, so you're not going to see the back of it, so don't worry about it. But you could add in like more stuff. I'm going to put in some leaves and stuff like that. So we're going to skip this one, and then we're going to go here. I gotta let it set up. And there's the second one. So we're going to skip this one, and then we're going to go to here. And that's what we're doing. And I'll pause you guys, and I'll get that much done, and then I'll come back, okay? Okay, so we got the first layer. Kind of, I don't know if you want to call it a layer, but I got glue strings all over this. So I done every other one, as you can tell. And also, the good thing about this project is you can add more or less. So I got 4 more of the purple roses. So I think what I want to do, we'll see how it works out. Let me see what this looks like really quickly. Because I think I'm going to do it like this. It's hard to see, you guys, because I don't have the perfect setup for this. So I'm going to go down to, I guess, the last layer piece. Maybe I'll go up a couple. There we go. Let me see here. Once I get it glued on there, I can show you a lot easier. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the 7th one, and I'm going to glue that on there. Let me clip off the stem on the back because this part is way too long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, right about there, because I still want the spider part to be seen. If I go too far down, you're not going to be able to see that. And that's, like I said, the ones that I saw, a lot of them were like just bare, and a lot of people put in like a focal point, like a little sign. And you could still do that with this, and that would be that could be really cute as well, because I held it up to it and seen how it looked, and it did look good. Okay, so glue strings galore, but they look like spider webs, so it's okay. There it is. So I'm just gonna keep going around on the 7th one here, and I'll come back again. Sorry about all the breaks, and I'll show you how that looks. Okay, you guys, I'm back again, and I got the second layer of the flowers on. If you can see, glue stick, like webs and stuff. Sorry about that. I had to get all that stuff off. I do want to tell you guys to please be very careful when you're doing this, because this is plastic, obviously, and when you're gluing these roses and stuff on, you can potentially burn yourself a lot. And I have one that's not set up over here because I'm trying to hurry up and do this for y'all. And I just yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that I don't want anyone to get hurt doing this, because my fingers are tough because I'm used to it, but I wanted to still see that part a little bit. So you see how I spaced them, and then basically the rest that you're gonna do, if you want to, you can add some of these black leaves and stuff to it. Even these pieces right here, like the little branches and stuff, you can cut those off and tuck them in here and there, and it'll look a lot better. I have glue everywhere, you guys. Oh, but, and even I'm going to put some of the bats and stuff, so I think it'll look a lot better. You could tuck the bats inside the flowers, so like the ones on the top, or even wherever you want it, so you could see them more, or even behind if you wanted. So sorry about the breaks, like I said, but let me finish the rest of this, put the leaves on and everything else, and then it'll be done. Alright, you guys, this is just about done. You get 4 bats all together. There's 2 on each bunch. I still got some leaves and some of the, I would call these like thorns, I believe, but I did put a couple on them. The ones that didn't get bats, it's gonna go like this. And like I said, you could add more. I might add some more leaves. Here's some leaves, and I put the thorns, like I said, in the ones that didn't have anything. And I think I would also probably add some greenery, but this video is getting really long. I just wanted to show you the main basis of that DIY. And like I said, I don't have much time right now, but that's pretty much what it's going to be. And it's easy to hang because of the back pieces. I don't want to show you the back. The back is not that great, but you can hang it very easily. So yeah, I am going to add some more, but I will be having a Dollar Tree haul soon. So I will show you the finished product then. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.